Okay, these are not perfect. Here are the original ones. But anyways, these are copies. If you are interested, you know where to go. Community tab. Now, these are not perfect. Some of these are missing or little parts right here. I mean, it's not perfect. See, my casting is not perfect. But hey, you can't find this anywhere, especially if you are looking for the whole set. Now, the most important thing is this, that activates the torque and action function. See, these are really nice. Excellent. The only bad thing is right here, but anyways, it works. See that? It perfectly fits. But anyways, here's the good thing. This little, I don't know what you call these things, but anyways, these are the most important part of the torque and action. So if you're interested, you know where to go. Community tab. See right there, it's almost perfect. I'm gonna say 9 out of 10. See, it's working very, very good for torque and action. So anyways, that's all for today. Bye.